How to use Google Meet. So hello friends, welcome back to Android Tips YouTube channel. So friends, before we get started, I would like to request you all to please make sure to subscribe this YouTube channel and please hit the bell icon to receive latest videos and informative videos from Android Tips. So friends, in this video I will be showing you about how to use Google Meet. It's very easy and simple. You just need to watch this video till the end. So friends, without spending much time, let's get started. So I will take you to Google Meet. So friends, the first thing it will pop out this interface. So you simply need to tap on continue, allow me to take pictures and record videos. Simply tap allow me to record audio, allow, and then you have to select your Google account. Or if you don't have Google account, you won't be able to use Google Meet. You have to create one Google account, Gmail account, so that you will be able to use Google Meet. So friends, I have made a video how to create Google account. You can check out from my YouTube channel Android Tips. So friends, I will use this Gmail. So friends, it will directly open up your camera. So I have turned off the camera. You can see this is the camera option. If you tap here, it will open up your camera. You can see, and this is for mic. Whenever you are in video conference and all, whenever you want to speak, you can simply tap here and then you can speak. And the ones who are in the video conference, they will listen they will listen your voice. So friends, these are the video and mics option. So you can see here the speaker logo. So friends, you can see you can even use a speaker, your speaker, and this is for phone. Like phone is for you can listen the voice from your front speaker, and this is for back speaker. So mostly we use back speaker. So whenever we want to off the sound, you can simply tap here audio off. You can see here audio off. So friends, these are the features of Google Meet for sound systems and mics and all. So friends, that's it for sound systems and mics and video. So friends, now how to create Google Meeting. You can see new meeting option here. You simply need to tap here and then you have created a Google Meeting. Disconnected the Google Meet application. So I'll show you how to join Google Meeting apps. So for example, if you're going to attend the online class, so your teacher may send this link to join the online class. You simply need to tap here and then you simply need to tap on Google Meeting. Then you can see, then you will see it will bring you to Google